visible now.
Okay. Now see this one. See just once we have studied power rule. Power rule was basically when you have given any function and its powers are given. Suppose this is x to the power 5. Then what was its differentiation? dy by dx or y dash. What you can write in
5x4.
this one? 5x to
5x4
the power
to the power
4.
4.
Yeah, good. Now if we have given y is equal to e to the power ax, then what is the differentiation of this e to the power ax? Then coefficient of x will come here.
Minus
You will write here a, then e to the power ax. Right? Suppose you have given y is equal to e to the power 2x. Then what will be its differentiation, this one?
2e to the power x.
Yes. And suppose if
One.
I have given you y is equal to e to the power x cube. So how you will solve? Any idea? See, if you have given this power, first of all, differentiation of this will remain e to the power x cube. Then write the differentiation of x cube also. Clear this thing? Then it will be e to the power x cube and the differentiation of x cube will be 3x square.
3x.
Right? So answer is 3x square e to the power x
3x.
cube. Suppose just once I am giving you y to the y is equal to e to the power sine x. Tell me its differentiation.
Num 1.
Y dash is equal to e to the power sine x as it is. Then write
e1.
the differentiation of sine x. And differentiation
Sine
of sine x, cos x,
cos x.
e to the power sine x. This is the answer. Understood, beta?
Yeah, yeah.
Now tell me just one. If I'm writing y is equal to e to the power log x. Always be remember, e to the power log is always equal to 1. Okay? Then it will be y is equal to x only. Got it? Suppose if I'm asking you that find the differentiation of e to the power log x square. Right?
2x.
Then you will write x square. Right, beta?
Yeah.
Just one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So differentiation of x will be 1.
1.
And tell me differentiation of any constant term.
0.
0.
0.
Yes. Differentiation of any constant term is 0. And differentiation of this x square is
2x. 2x. 2x, ma'am. Ma'am?
yes 2x.
No.
Okay. Now what was our power product rule, beta?
We need to divide it here.
When two functions are in multiplication,
Yeah.
right? Then you have to find the differentiation of it. So first of all, you have to differentiate first function, then second function as it is. Now first function as it is, and then differentiation of second function. So now Tell me just one differentiation of x sin x. Here are two functions now.
Cos x, cos x.
Then your y dash will be, first of all, write the differentiation of x
Of x.
sin x as it is plus now x as it is because we have already done with x, then differentiation of sin x. Right? Now differentiation of x will be 1 only.
Yeah, yeah. 1, then 0.
Into sin x plus x cos x. Right? Understood, beta? Just one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next question you have to solve this one and tell me the answer after solving.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to find the differentiation of e to the power x sin x. Find dy by dx, or you can say find y dash. Find it. And turn on your video. Jaswant, are you able to find the solution? Jaswant?
Ma'am, I'm trying.
Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, can you?
Then Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am. Differentiation of.
Okay, tell me the answer then.
Ma'am,
Or you can tell me the steps.
uh,
Jaswant, tell beta.
ma'am, the sign changes to cos x. And
First of all, tell
e to
me.
the power x.
Yes. You will apply for this product rule.
What if
Differentiation of e to the power
it
x.
is now e to the power x into
Then sin
differentiation?
x as it is. Now e to the power x as it is and differentiation of sin x. So you can write using product rule. Okay.
Yeah.
Now differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x
E to the
sin
power.
x as it is plus e to the power x as it is and differentiation of
Cos
sin x
x.
is cos x. Have you got the same
Ma'am,
answer,
e to
beta?
the power. Ma'am, the above part. No. No.
Now you can
Ma'am,
take e
I'm
to the power x common. Then it will be sin x plus cos x.
Cos x.
Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. One another question, beta. Differentiate y is equal to e to the power 3x into 10x. Differentiate it using product rule. Find the solution.
Ma'am, e to the power 3x.
And its differentiation will be 3 e to the power 3x.
3.
Coefficient will come before your e to the power 3x, na?
3. 3 to the 3x.
See, earlier also we have did this.
Tan x will be secant square x.
See, differentiation of e to the power 3x will be y dash is equal to 3 e to the power 3x, right?
Yeah.
Now try to solve it.
And 3 e to the power 3x and secant square x.
Yes, good. So your differentiation will be have you written on the notebook? Can you show me your notebook?
Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jaswant. Are you not able to switch on your camera? Please write in chat box. Jaswant, am I audible, beta? Jaswant? Jaswant, am I audible?
Ma'am,
Yes.
now you're audible.
Okay, beta. Okay, now come to. Now next is quotient rule. So quotient rule means when your functions are in division, in fraction form, suppose y is equal to u upon v is given, and both the functions are in variable x, are the functions of x. So what will your differentiation, beta? First of all, you have to square the denominator part, right? Then again, find the differentiation of first function, then v to the power x as it is, minus now this first function as it is, and then find the differentiation of vs, denominator. Okay, let us see by taking an example. Suppose let y is equal to x upon sine x. Now here we have given this question in the form of u upon v. Clear, beta Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here u function is u is your x and v is your sine x. So when functions are given in fractions, then you have to apply quotient rule. So right here, apply quotient rule. We have. So first of all, dy by dx will be. Now we have to square the denominator term. So it will be sine square x. Right, Jaswant?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, sine x, your denominator part will be as it is. You will write as it is and write the differentiation of x minus now x as it is, now differentiation of sine x. Okay, now sine x, differentiation of x is just 1. It will be 1.
1.
Minus x, differentiation of sine x is cos x
Cos.
divided by sine square x. Right? Or you can separate the denominator with each numerator. So sine x upon sine square x minus x cos x, sine square x, you can write sine x into sine x. We can write like this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now 1 power. Now 1 sine will cancel. You will get only 1 upon sine x minus x cos upon sine beta. It will be cot x.
Cot.
And 1 upon sine x will be equal to cosecant x.
Cosecant.
So cosecant x minus x cot x, cosecant x. Now you can take cosecant x common. Then it will be 1 minus x cot x. Have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose, beta, if we have given y is equal to x upon e to the power x. Will you try to solve it?
Yes.
Otherwise, I will explain.
Ma'am, can you explain? Ma'am, can you explain?
Yes. See, Jaswant. First of all, your quotient rule is this. You have to square the denominator part, v square. Then v as it is, differentiation of u minus u as it is, now differentiation of v. So do the differentiation. First of all, you will write the differentiation square of e to the power x beta. Right? Now e to the, because here value of u is x and value of v is e to the power x. So e to the power x as it is, into differentiation of x minus x as it is differentiation of e to the power x. So beta differentiation of e to the power x is always equal to e to the power x. This is the formula, right? And differentiation of x is 1. So right here e to the power x, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1 minus x. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x divided by e to the power x whole square. Is this clear, beta? Just one?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can take e to the power x common from the numerator. Then it will be 1 minus x. Now e to the power x whole square. It means e to the power x into e to the power x. So 1 e to the power x will cancel. Then your answer will be 1 minus x e to the power x. This is the answer. Have you understood, Jaswant?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Please note it down it.
I'm done. Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now suppose just one, you have to find differentiation of e to the power x upon cos x. Find dy by dx. Try to find beta. Because e to the power x upon sin x we have already done. If you will face any difficulty, then I will clear. Okay. Just one question is solving.
Now, and first we need to square, then Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
can you do it once?
Okay, I will explain. Don't worry.
E to the
See, first of all, write your quotient rule by quotient rule. What is your quotient rule? That y is equal to, if function is given in the form of fraction, then differentiation will be uv square v into du upon dx minus u as it is differentiation of v. So just put the values here. Value of u is e to the power x beta and value of v is cos x. So just write here y dash is equal to v means cos x, differentiation of u means e to the power x minus u is e to the power x and value of v is cos x divided by cos x whole square. This step is clear, Jaswant? Jaswant?
ma'am, no, one. The
This
second
step
step.
is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now write here cos x. Now differentiation of e to the power x, Jaswant. E to the power x
One.
only. Minus. Now tell me the differentiation of cos x. It will be minus sin x. Read the formulas, beta.
Yes, I
Okay.
understand.
Then it will be minus sin x upon cos x whole square. So minus minus will be plus. So you will write, or you can take e to the power x common. It will be cos x plus sin x upon cos x whole square. Clear, beta? Jaswant,
Yeah,
understood?
yeah.
Okay, please note it down. You can separate the denominator also, okay? As in previous question we did.
I'm done. Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now see after this, you can write like this also. See, e to the power x, then cos x upon cos x whole square plus sin x upon cos x into cos x. May we write like this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 1 power of cos x will cancel. Then it will be 1 by cos x plus sin upon cos is tan x
And
and 1 upon cos is secant x.
you can.
Or you can write e to the power x 1 upon cos x secant x plus tan x into secant x. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this question rule?
Yeah.
So, and one more thing, Jaswant. Tomorrow I will upload your mock test also of 5 questions, okay? Of 20 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, beta? So kindly attempt on daily basis. Okay, Jaswant?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you are facing any difficulty, please feel free to call me, okay?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is there any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
in today's class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, beta.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.